There's a lot of concern right now that artificial intelligence will replace workers across industries, including healthcare. However, our next guest is here to explain how AI can enhance those job roles and improve the patient experience. Joining us with more is Terrence Mills. He is the CEO of View, a company known for being the future of healthcare payments. Welcome, Terrence.
Great to be here.
So you do hear from healthcare providers who are frustrated right now. They have so much manual work to do that they're not really having time to interact with patients as much as they'd like, provide the quality of care that we want and deserve and expect and that they want to give. So how can they make time for that?
Yeah, it's a very good question. So there's a theory, and the theory is that anything that you put into a healthcare provider's organization that helps doctors pay attention to us as patients, or as they like to now call customers, benefits not only us, but also benefits the organization. And AI is a big part of that. Payments is a big part of that. Coding of claims is a big part of it. And risk of claims and risk of denials specifically is a big part of it. And if you can cure some of those problems, the doctor can then focus more on us. And that's true of many different technologies that you put into providers today. So it makes a lot of sense.
Specifically as it refers to healthcare, what does it mean to make data-driven decisions?
Yeah, so we focus on coding, risk, and payments. And think of it in the context of money. If you don't have to worry about money at all, you can focus on other things. Money is something that captures everyone's majority of their mind, and it's something that we as individuals have to focus on, but in the hospitals they have to focus on. People don't think about it that way, but coding in particular of healthcare claims is something that people just don't understand unless you're involved in it. Mm-hmm. And the coding happens by humans. And it's something that humans don't do very well. And so over time, what we've developed is an autonomous coder capable of doing what humans can't do well today, allowing humans to work on other things that are data-driven because data comes out of machines.
Right.
And then the use of that data can be used to make decisions within the healthcare provider, whether it's a small provider, like a professional services organization, or a hospital provider or a large health system.
And so do you see AI really revolutionizing healthcare?
I do. And I think that we're seeing it not only in the work that we do in the back end of healthcare, which people don't really know a lot about, but also in the front end of healthcare. Yes, it's reading radiology screens. Yes, it's capable of doing some diagnosis work. And it's also capable of fixing the problems of money in the organization. And those are really, really important things.
Is this difficult for a healthcare provider to implement?
It's not. Workflows is how healthcare providers think. Can you work in my workflow? Meaning, I don't want to change a whole lot of stuff. I want to make this make sense the way that we do it today. And so if you're designing a solution like we have for healthcare and solving some business problems, you want to do it in such a way that you fit into the existing workflow. And by doing that, you stave off a lot of money having to be spent and a lot of effort amongst the organizations that, guess what? They don't have a lot of time, they don't have a lot of money to do this stuff. And so if you can make it simple and easy, it works.
Makes a lot of sense. Thank you, Terrence.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information, visit view.com. Daytime will be right back.